These 7 steps I'm about to show you will take you to the closing master. Okay. It will take you to black belt in sales. Okay. Now you can master this skill. It's not hard, right? It's not hard. You just got to learn from the right one. And guess what? I'm the right one. I am one of those that understand it, understand the process, and I'm ready to show you. So first thing you're going to do, get you a notebook, because you got to take notes. That way you can study this. So I broke it down, a lot of information in just 7 steps. Okay, let's get straight into the video. Now, the first thing you want to do is use the 80-20 rule. Okay, the 80-20 rule is let the customer do 80% of the talking. You only do 20%. Okay, and that 20% you do is literally you are asking questions. And after you ask them questions, silence. Okay. Number 2, be quiet. When you talk to them, ask them stuff and then be quiet. Let them talk. Okay. Let them cook. They're going to tell you so much stuff. And then when they have objections, always follow up with your best reply. Okay. Don't sugarcoat it. Don't talk about the competition. Get straight to why they should be working with you. Make sure you have your passion. Last but not least, make sure you hit their pain points. Their pain points is what's going to take you to the next level, because you're going to hit that so many times, and then show them the transformation that they will get by working with you. Boom, close them. Number 3, always get them to buy off of logic. Why? Because numbers don't lie. Okay. When you get them to buy off logics, numbers do not lie. So what you want to do is break down how many people has got the transformation by working with you, and how they've been raving about you, and how the problem that they have got completely solved 100%. Numbers don't lie. All right. Number 4, find your voice. Okay. Find your voice. Find out what makes you make a sale. Find out what do people like about you, right? And utilize it. Make sure you know what you said last time. Okay. Make 10 sales. I want you to make 10 sales. When you make those 10 sales, I want you to use every single thing that you said to make that sale. I want you to do it over. I want you to repeat the process. Okay. Because first thing, you got to find your voice. You got to find your personality. You got to make sure you have charisma. You got to make sure you understand your word tracks. What do you use over and over and over again? And then you got to have, you got to make sure you break the pattern, right? You got to break the pattern of people. That means don't let them fall where they think they fell before, right? Pattern interruption. Okay. Make sure you're different than other people. Make sure your voice is different than other people. Make sure you don't sound like you're reading from a script. Yeah. And I just want you to know this is the best place to shop at, because we get the job done correctly. Don't nobody want to talk to that robot. Be yourself, be energetic, be excited, be happy they there. That great energy will bleed off into them, and it'll make them want to work with you. Number 5, do not, when I repeat, do not tell them every single thing about the product or the service. Okay. Do not tell them every single little thing. Why? Because the more you have to tell them, the more opportunities you will have them have an opportunity to come up with an objection or disagree or come up with something that'll knock you off your game. So you want to be short. You want to be straight to the point. You want to be direct, right? Tell them this problem right here can be solved today. This problem can be solved today. Let's not wait around. Let's not play around. Let's get it done today. Because I know you like speed. And I'm that man. Okay. Now, number 6, get to the decision maker. Okay. you gotta get to the person that is making that is buying. Okay. You gotta get to the person that is buying. You got the decision maker and you got the user. Okay. One gonna be using it, one gonna be buying it for. So usually the woman is buying, the man is making the decision, or it could be vice versa, right? The man is buying, the woman is making the decision, or it could be the woman is both the decision maker and the buyer. But you gotta be very clear on who is doing what. That's why you gotta ask the questions. Who will be making the purchase today versus who will be using the service? You know, are you the one that is in full control of making this decision? And if they be like, well, yeah, but well, no, because I gotta go talk to my husband. I gotta go make sure, you know, everything line up. Well, I tell you what I would really love to do. That way we don't have, you know, no road bumps, is all of us be present on the phone. So I can give you a call back. If your husband is available now, that'd be perfect. That'd be perfect. If we can get him in the conversation, that way I could go over everything with him. That way we have clarity and there won't be no road bumps. And I'm telling you, that's the best process to keep everything moving, smooth sailing. Okay. They will respect that. They will like that. And they will really feel like you're there to help instead of there just to sell them. Okay. Number 7, last but not least, you got to make sure you compliment their traits. Okay. When I tell you this is so effective, when you compliment somebody's traits and you let them know they're making the right decision by choosing you, it make them feel like Superman. Okay. It make them feel, you give them a sense of clarity and confidence about their self. I'm gonna give you an example. Man, you would be surprised how many people stop before they even get started. You even took the time to take a look at the free information. So that's letting me know right there, you are a great decision maker, because some people wouldn't even got that far. So that's letting me know right now, there's some change you want to happen in your life. So that means you're not letting fear stop you. Okay. That means you're courageous and you don't have doubts, because if you had doubts, you wouldn't even been here. If you had fear, you would have stopped before you even opened up the website. So I commend you, because a lot of people do not even get this far. Boom. Now you got them thinking, you got them feeling good about themselves. You got them like, oh yeah, I am. I'm the man. Oh yeah, I'm the woman. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm here to make a decision. Right. And when you get them going like that, keep the ball rolling on them. Keep on feeding them everything they need to hear. But most importantly, be there to help them through their problem. Okay. Be there to help them through their problem every single step of the way. And this is a bonus right here. If they worried about price, this is all you got to tell them. When you go with cheap products or services, you're choosing the amateur over the pro. Okay. You pay the price to have a pro to do the job once, instead of living with regret by the amateur work. Okay. The professionals, we are the professionals. We're going to get the job done. We make sure we give you the concierge treatment. Okay. White glove service to make sure that you are taken care of at our best ability. Okay. Just by saying that right there, you put it in their mind. Cheap is the wrong way to go. Discounts is the wrong way to, saving $1 is the wrong way to go. Let's pay the price now. Do not negotiate your price. Always have your price within that payment. Okay. If there's a fee that you're supposed to get, have your fee within the price. Okay. I'm glad I was able to help you with this. So now, really, really, really get this done. Stay extremely disciplined and make sure every step you take is in the right direction. Okay. That's the end of this video. I know this will help. Make sure you utilize this to the max. Okay. I want to see you win. I want to see you make millions of dollars. God is in control and he is ready to take you to the next level. Okay. Always stay disciplined and consistent, right? Stay blessed. I'll see you in the next video. All right.